Do it. You got a little too crazy there.
I rarely get out to the Leon Creek Greenway trails, but I went out with Kyle last weekend and we ended up finding some downhill trails that I never knew existed. I had so much fun that I took Friday off and went back out there to explore.
So I'm pretty much just fully exploring right now. I know a little bit of these trails, but there's a lot of branches in them and you could easily get lost out here, I'd imagine. Took the day off today. Figured I'd do a little riding. It's a really nice day. I think it's gonna get up to 80 today in December. It was like 40 degrees last night though. Ooh. This trail is one of the most asked about trails on all of my channel. People always want to know where certain things are, and unfortunately I'm guessing where most of the stuff is except for a few spots. But this area is pretty busy on weekends, so if you want to come out, just find somebody. It's Friday during the day, and I already talked to a guy at the trailhead, so you can make friends out here easily. So this whole trail system reminds me a lot of Bentonville. It has a paved greenway that goes through the middle of all of it for easy access. You can go on and off the trails pretty easily. And here we are, actually. Just keep exploring. It's good because you can't really get too lost. I don't like this little tree that's right here ready to clip your bars. Oh wow, that went a little too fast there. If you want a challenge, you can ride around on these big rocks over here. Let's see. Oh god. Oh crap. Seats down. Yeah, here we go. Let's see, can I turn it? I'm gonna try to go find the downhill runs that I just learned were here. I know roughly where they are. I'm officially lost. So I finally found it. If you are heading northbound on the Greenway, pass underneath Peru Road and turn left on the paved, and then you'll find this trail off this little seating area that I was just at. And then you keep going and you'll get to the downhill stuff. Oh man. Definitely not going that way. Oh God. Whoa. I don't know what this is called. I think like monkey loops or something, I don't know. But this is fun. You gotta keep your speed up though, or else you'll be finding yourself at some really tough climbs. Did not do a good job. Whoa.
That's it for this video. Thanks for sticking around. I've been riding but not recording much, or if I did record, I didn't feel like it was worth sharing. I've got a few rides recorded that I'll go through and cut up to make some quick videos of the more exciting stuff soon. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.